Hey, what's up guys? John from S&S Cycle here. In today's video, we're going to review the S&S 475 compliant cam kit. We offer two different kits, 475 chain and the 475 gear. Within the kit, you will also receive a Dynojet PV3 module, just like so. The PV3 comes pre-installed with 4 different tunes. The first tune is the 107 with the stock header and high flow mufflers. This is the perfect pair for our MK45 mufflers. The second tune is a 107 with our compliant system, the Eldorado. The third tune is the 114 with the stock header and high flow mufflers. And the fourth tune is a 114 with our Eldorado system. The PV3 does come with a pre-installed license, so you need to make sure that when you pair it to your vehicle or motorcycle, you're doing it correct, and that is the motorcycle you want it to live on. Once it's paired, it's on that motorcycle for the rest of its term or lifetime. The other piece that you get in the kit is this USB cable. At any point in time you need to update the PV3, you can plug it into your computer and download new software. Also included in the kit is your carb compliant stickers. You'll mount one to your frame and one at the terminal end, so if you were to ever get your bike worked on from a technician, it is 100% compliant and they're aware that you have this tune in it. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the tune on our Road King. It's a 107 2017. It has a 475 cam in it already, and it does have the Eldorado system on it. Let's go ahead and get started on the install. First step in the installation is we're going to remove the left side bag or the primary side bag to get access to the panel where the connection will be. Now that we've removed the bag, we're going to remove this side panel right here to gain access to the port we need to hook up the PV3. The port you're looking for is located right here at the bottom. It's usually gray. You can slide it forward and it pops off, and it should have a cover on it that you can remove to gain access. Now that we removed the rubber plug, we're ready to connect our PV3 to this port, like so. Now that the PV3 is connected, we're going to go ahead and turn the ignition on and start up the process. At the Get Started screen, or Getting Started, you're going to press the enter button. The enter button is the middle button in between the up and down. It'll then tell you it's not paired. To pair it, you're going to press the enter button again. Then you're going to want to read the ECU. Reading the ECU means that it's reading its old flash and storing it for you if you ever need to revert back to it. After you successfully read the ECU, you can go ahead and hit return. Now you're ready to flash. To do this, we're going to press the enter button. It will search for the tune files. Once it's found it, the 4 files that are preloaded will appear on the PV3. We're going to be using the second one down, which is the M8 107 475 cam with the Eldorado. You press enter once highlighted. Then the tune file will appear and provide all information based off of the actual tune itself. To proceed, press the enter button. If the warning screen comes up, not to worry. Just press enter and continue with the flash. Once the flash is completed, you'll get the flash completed screen. You hit enter, and then you will get your normal screen, which will provide you all different channels and different information if you proceed to use this as an onboard device. Once you see this, go ahead and turn the bike off. Wait about 30 seconds and turn the bike back on. Same screen comes up after we flashed. We are ready to go. The flash is on your motorcycle. Once the flash is completed, you can either choose to use the PV3 as an onboard unit or disconnect it. You do not need to keep it on the bike to use the tune. In this case, we're going to disconnect it like so and put everything back to its stock location. Once you have the plug mounted back in the stock location, you'll take your orange tag that's provided in the kit that has the carb number on it, and you will zip tie it like so. This is good to have if you take your bike into service, or if anybody questions the tune, they can refer to this right here when going to the port. For your carb compliant sticker that's provided in the kit, you will mount it to the frame up in the front here, located right here on the bike, just like so. And there you have it. That's how you install a compliant flash using the Dynojet PV3 module. If you ever need to revert back to your stock flash, please see the SNS instruction sheets for a step-by-step on how to do so. If you like this video, make sure to give us a like. Always follow us on our social media channels. And for more information about our product, check sscycle.com.